Last week, the Academy had an opportunity to help a gym supply client remove adhesive from her concrete floor. She wanted a sustainable polished concrete floor, and so here is what we did to help her out. First of all, we applied the orange attack from S onto the floor in concentrated form, spread it with a nylon pad on the end of an adjustable handle, scrubbed it around, and let the chemical do the work. After letting it sit for a period of time, we took the squeegee and did a test spot to see how we were doing. Well, we found out that we were releasing the adhesive, so we went to putting water on the floor and using a Vac to pick it up. This took several rinsings to get the slurry off the floor. But there was a lot of buildup on the floor, so around the edges we went with our floor machine and a bristle brush, and of course the orange attack and concentrate. Now, as you might notice, we used a splash ring to keep from getting the walls messy. Here we took water and rinsed and rinsed and rinsed. It took about 3 or 4 times to rinse all of that off the floor. But as we kept moving around the floor using the orange attack, it kept loosening it up, and we kept working it down until we got to a bare concrete floor. More water, and now it's time to polish. For this job, we used 2 different diamond impregnated pads. We used a 400 grit first, and then came back with an 800. Now, you always want to use water on the floor to keep dust down. This is just using a standard 175 RPM floor machine and a standard pad driver. Now, you could use a weighted pad driver to enhance the polishing process. However, this customer just wanted a matte look, so we went over it about 4 times with each pad. And now you can see quite a bit of difference from what we started with to the matte polished look.